The lightning plains of Elga, named for the angel that inspired Eden to build her first cathedral. It was a glorious land, built in the memory of her holy city in the skies. A city destroyed by Yggdrasil. He came for everything Eden created, starting with her first cathedral. The land was scorched, never to be walked again. Forlorn and abandoned, a trophy for the demon that seeks to destroy all our Lord has created, the plains stand as an example of what Yggdrasil can do if we do not harden our hearts to his darkness.